Black versus white chia seeds, discover their distinct health advantages. Chia seeds have garnered significant attention in the realm of health and wellness for their exceptional nutritional value. Often found in two primary colors, black and white, the tiny seeds pack a punch when it comes to their health benefits. But is one better than the other? Let's dive deep into the black versus white chia seed debate and unearth the unique benefits that each brings to the table. The nutritional powerhouse, chia seeds. Before we compare the different colors, it's important to understand why chia seeds are considered a superfood. Rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, and various micronutrients, they are an effortless way to boost the nutritional content of your meals. Black chia seeds, the versatile gourmet choice. Black chia seeds are widely recognized for their striking appearance that can add a pop of contrast to dishes, but their benefits go beyond aesthetics. Antioxidant rich. The dark color of black chia seeds signifies a high antioxidant content. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and may play a role in preventing chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Fiber-filled. Black chia seeds are a good source of dietary fiber which can improve digestive health and aid in weight management. Mineral dense. They are also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health. White chia seeds, the subtle nutritional giant. White chia seeds are often underrepresented, but not any less nutritious. Nutrient profile. White chia seeds possess a similar nutritional profile to their black counterparts, containing a balance of omega-3s, protein, and fiber. A subtler flavor. While the flavor difference is minimal, some may find the taste of white chia seeds to be slightly milder, which can be advantageous in delicate flavored dishes where you want the seeds to blend seamlessly without affecting the visual appeal. Versatile use. Thanks to their lighter color, white chia seeds can easily be incorporated into a variety of recipes like yogurts, smoothies, and baked goods without altering the dish's color palette. Black versus white. Is there a nutritional winner? When it comes down to nutritional content, black and white chia seeds are practically identical. The primary difference lies in the subtle flavor and the aesthetic appeal they provide to dishes. Choosing between the two often comes down to personal preference and culinary usage rather than nutritional superiority. Dietary integration. How to enjoy black and white chia seeds. Regardless of color, both black and white chia seeds are versatile and can be used interchangeably. Here are some suggestions on how to integrate them into your diet. Soak them to make a chia pudding, which can serve as a healthy breakfast or dessert. Sprinkle them onto salads, oatmeal, or cereal for an added crunch and nutritional boost. Mixing them into smoothies or juices for a fiber-packed beverage. Bake them into bread, muffins, or pancakes to fortify your baked goods with omega-3s and proteins. Sustainable shopping. Selecting the best chia seeds. When shopping for chia seeds, sustainability can also be a factor in your selection process. Look for brands that source their seeds ethically and support sustainable farming practices. Organic options might also appeal to those looking to avoid pesticides and embrace a natural diet. Summary. At the end of the day, both black and white chia seeds offer exceptional health benefits that can enhance your diet. Whether you prefer the bold look of black chia seeds or the subtler, paler hue of white ones, you can rest assured that you are making a health-promoting choice. This detailed analysis of black versus white chia seeds is a perfect addition to any health-conscious viewer's knowledge base. Remember, the best choice in chia seeds is one that aligns with your dietary goals and preferences. Don't forget to check the origin and processing of the seeds to ensure you're getting the best quality for your nutritional buck. Include chia seeds in your diet and reap the powerful benefits of this tiny but mighty superfood.